Scottie, what you doing? Are you making things pretty? Can you hear me? Hello? Oh, I was like, are you making things pretty?
Well, we're getting some of the damage off from previous owners, and I've used a couple of different chemicals that I can without damaging the material.
Are you a material girl?
Only in a material world.
Do you vogue and strike a pose? Yes!
Okay, so
Look at this. Scottie in action.
now
That's the spot I was going to ask about. Look at that.
I mean, I'll get some. I might not get all of it off, but I mean, the idea isn't to make this perfect.
It's to make it...
Drivable and livable and fun and usable and enjoy it.
Yes.
Where's my rag?
You're on your rag. Ooh, boy. So much... Yeah. Looking good. We got a box of...
How do you toast toilet paper?
I don't know.
You brown it on one side.
Oh, God. So that looks better because replacing the door cards, you know, we don't want it to be... This thing needs to be like a survivor driver.
Well, and that's the thing is, all I'm trying to do is pick up some of the damage from previous owners. And people just not paying attention, getting in and out. I mean, this is the driver's side one.
So you know that one's going to be...
Oh, yeah, it's always forcocked.
Yeah, that's the off-the-wall Hot Mess Express.
But almost all the damage is gone.
On the door card.
Right, on the door card.
This is still damaged.
Well, the jury's still out on that one, and drugs and alcohol and some guacaludes and a red dress, and then all of a sudden I'm at a fucking piano bar, and...
Were you wearing the fishnets and heels with that red dress?
You were there too?
Well, you know.
Oh no, you were the next act on. I saw your nickname, Fantasy Island.
Ooh. Come on, you know if I did drag, I'd do...
Your nickname would be Fantasy Island.
I would do I Feel Like a Woman by Shania Twain. That would be my, you know, I think that'd be good. Anyway, all right, we got way off the deep end.
Yeah, we did. But
That's
that's
gonna give
better.
that a little polish. Give that a little polish.
No, it wasn't dirty.
Oh, no, it wasn't dirty at all.
Yeah, this is,
Oh,
it's,
no.
no, I'm not even going near it. Not even going near it. I'm gonna go get the other door panel. I'm gonna see if
Are you going to hit this with your leather nice stuff?
Nope.
Because maybe you could bring
Because,
this a little
hold
more
on,
out.
nope,
Oh,
nope.
is the
Only
card
because-
really sketchy? Oh, something got some water damage.
And I can talk to the owner. I know where another set is.
Oh, yeah.
I did some research over the weekend.
You know how to read?
Well, I look at the pretty pictures. I mean, as long as everything just kind of goes ka-chunk, I'm there. I'm there.
Look, we had donuts today.
Yep, and I'm about to have another one.
Oh,
Not like my diabetes needs it, but
I
I'm
had
on my
two.
medication.
I think
and
I'm good.
Every so often, I splurge a little bit, and I mean, come on.
I know. Look at you. You're anorexic, bulimic, and people throw up after meals.
Well,
Oh, God. So, while Scottie's on
we
this,
can tell I'm not a professional. I choke.
I heard you don't have a gag reflex.
Shut up.
So, I'm just harassing Scottie because it's been 3 hours to get 2 axle seals for the Mustang, and I'm getting a little pissed off because the ETA on their delivery keeps changing, and I'm like, it's not hard. It's 2 axle
Yeah,
seals.
because they don't want me showing up there to go get
No.
parts.
No. As Scottie eats a donut and aircraft takes off. We will have an update coming up.
This is true.